Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I'm back with another incredible deal for you from Rite Aid. Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I'm back with another great video for you from Rite Aid. Guys, you see that Tide and Gain in the background? Yes, we killed that store, and it wasn't even on clearance. So guys, get your inserts out because you're going to need some of those $2 Tide coupons and those $2 Gain coupons. You're going to need some Poise coupons if you don't have them in your Rite Aid app. You're going to need Dr. Scholl's coupons, and we are just going to be saving. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new here, please do so. Hit the bell next to the subscription button. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video and you don't miss out on any of our deals and our secret ways. Well, they're not really secret, but they're, things that you learn as you go on and on and on, and you coupon more and more and more so that you can save more money and stretch your dollar just a little bit longer. So guys, let's jump into the video and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first deal that we're going to do is going to be on the Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away. Now what I did 3 different transactions with this haul. The first transaction I did was with the Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away and the Poise pads. So with the Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away, they are 25% off, and it is a monthly deal. Now, be careful because there's 2 different kinds that are 25% off. There's one that's like $21.88, and then there's another one that's $18.99. That is the one I got, the one that's $18.99. Let me zoom in so you can see it. It is the 7 count, and here is the UPC. So that one is 25% off. So 25% off of $18.99 comes down to $14.24. Now, I used a $5 off coupon. Here it is right here. This just came out in your Sunday paper, which that will bring it down to $9.24. So it's $18.99, 25% off of that is $14.24. Then your $5 coupon brings it down to $9.24. But guys, get this. You get a $10 bonus cash reward back with this. So now that makes it a moneymaker, right? But guess what? It's going to be an even bigger moneymaker because you're going to submit your receipt to checkout 51 and you're going to get back $3 from checkout 51. If you haven't signed up for checkout 51, it's okay. I'll put the link down in the description box. All you have to do is go into your Android app or into your Apple store, checkout 51, download it, and get ready to sign up and save money. The money can be deposited into your checking account, or you can buy gift cards. Totally up to you what you want to do. I always have mine put into my PayPal account. Okay, so that is that. Now, the next thing I got were 2 Poise pads. The Poise pads are on a special this week. You buy 2, you get $3 back in bonus cash. And guess what, guys? If your store has any of the clearance ones left, they do apply. Yes. So that makes it even better, and that makes it a moneymaker for you. Now, there are $5 coupons that just came out in your Sunday paper where you buy 2 and you save $5. Now, you can also use the clipped coupons. There are load to card coupons, the same one. Buy 2, save $5. Now, let me show you the UPCs on these. So, here's the green banner. Here's the UPC for that. Okay, here is the red banner. And let me get you the UPC for that. There's the UPC for that one. Okay. So, let me tell you how much they were marked down to. So, the 18 count, which is that one, was marked down to $2.37. And the 50 count, which is this one, was marked down to $1.99. So when you use the $5 off coupon, that makes that a moneymaker for you guys because you're going to get $3 back in bonus cash. Now I'm going to show you my receipt because I messed up. I forgot to clip my $5 coupon, but it's still fine and it still worked out for me because I had the moneymaker on the freeze away, the Dr. Scholl's. So let me show you my receipt. So there's the 1 by Poise 18 count, $2.37. You see it was regularly $9.49. Then the 50 count was regularly $7.99, came down to $1.99. The freeze away is $14.24. My $5 coupon for the freeze away. My total was $13.60, and I paid with bonus cash. But then I got back $10 for the Dr. Scholl's freeze away, $3 for the Kotex or Poise. And you see here, see, got back, earned $13 in bonus cash. And I got back, as you can see here, $3 from checkout 51. So that made this transaction a moneymaker for me. The next transaction that I did was on the Oral-B Glide Floss and the Crest, the Scope 2 mouthwash. And I did these because I do have a Oral-B challenge, bonus cash challenge. So that will help me towards this. But these are a great deal, guys. These are on sale this week, $3.99. And when you buy one, you get $3 back in bonus cash. So that's like paying $1 for a mouthwash or $1 for the Oral-B Glide floss. I just had a brain fart. So actually, if you go into your CVS app, there's actually a $1 load to card Oral-B floss coupon. So guess what? Those are actually free. How often do we get Oral-B floss for free, guys? Usually I might get it for like 50 cents or $1 at the most, but I never get it for free. So I had to do this deal. I was excited. And I wanted to get 2 of the floss, even though I only had 1 coupon, but my store was out. So I had to get a mouthwash, which is fine with me too, because very rarely do I get mouthwash for free. Usually I get it from CVS, and I usually have to pay like a quarter or 50 cents for it. So I'm happy with that. So you can do this deal 2 times because it is a weekly deal. Now let me show you the receipt. So there's the Oral-B floss for $3.99. There's my load to card coupon that came off. Then there's the Crest for $3.99. My total was $6.98. You see that I earned $6 back in bonus cash because I got the $3 back 2 times. So that's pretty good, right? Alrighty, so now our final transaction was on all of these tides and all of this gain. So this is the spend $45, get $15 back in bonus cash. Now there's a whole bunch of things that are included in this deal that you could get, like paper towels, I believe it's deodorant, Tampax, all that kind of stuff. But you guys know me, I love my laundry products, and whenever I can get some cheap laundry products, I'm gonna get them. So for those of you who watched my video last week, you know that we got a bunch of Tide on clearance and Gain on clearance. Well, guess what, guys? My store still has some Tide and Gain on clearance. I spoke with one of the stockers, and he told me they just got a bunch in on the truck this week because there's tons of it in the warehouse. So as long as it comes in the store, it's still going to be 50% off. So if you want to do that, go right ahead and get that. But I didn't do that. I got the ones that were giving back the bonus cash because to me, that was the better deal. The ones that are giving back the bonus cash are the 37 fluid ounce. Okay, for the Tide are $5.44. The Gain are $5.99. So I grabbed 4 Tide and 4 Gain, and that came to a little over $45. And when I did it this way, I was able to just do one transaction and use all of my coupons at once, because at Rite Aid you can use 4 like coupons in one transaction. And when you spend $45, again, you get $15 back in bonus cash. So let me go over my receipt. So here you see there's the Tide, the Tide, the Tide, the Tide. You see all my $2 coupons coming off. There's all the Gain with all the $2 coupons coming off. So my subtotal was $29.72. I had a total of 8 coupons. So 8 times 2 is 16. So that's what came off. And I paid with bonus cash. And then you see there, I got my $15 back in bonus cash. So that means I paid $14.72 for 8 laundry detergents, 4 Tide and 4 Gain. Guys, where are you going to get that kind of deal from? So when you take $14.72 and divide that by 8 bottles of laundry detergent, that's like $1.74 per bottle. Guys, that's an excellent deal, especially with prices going up right now. Like, I remember like 2-3 years ago when I used to say I won't pay more than $1 for detergent when I'm couponing. Now I have to say I'm not going to pay more than $2 or $2.50. So to get it for $1.74 a bottle, and look, I'm ready to do cartwheels. I am totally happy with this transaction. So when I add everything up with my money maker and what I paid, then I end up paying $13.30 out of pocket for this. Which I use my extra bucks to pay that, but that comes out to be $1.03 per item. Guys, you can't beat this, especially when the Dr. Scholl's alone was regularly $18 and some change. So go out to Rite Aid. There are some great deals, even though we don't have a spend 50, get 15 or spend 60, get 20. There's still awesome good deals to do. You just have to take your time and put them together. Use your coupons, use your load to cart coupons, check all your apps, and just put some scenarios together. But guys, I thank you for tuning in. I hope you're able to take advantage of some of these deals. Come back, let me know what you were able to get. And until the next time, keep on saving.